What are you guys doing?
We're playing Don't Rock the Boat!
Looks like you guys are. Donna.
Ah! Don't rock the boat! How fun is this game, Sawyer? Super fun. So, Sawyer, what are the rules? Don't rock the boat. What are the other rules? Don't let your guy fall off. Youngest goes first. That's you.
Yes, I you. Oh, you go first.
Okay, I will go first. Arr, matey.
So good. Oh, yeah. You good for it, though.
Yeah, but he didn't fall overboard, so we're okay. Stick him up. Oh, good job. Ooh, treasure. And this penguin's got knives.
Oh, yeah? I will beat you. Whoa.
This one's got a parrot.
Okay, see you.
You got a lot on here. Ooh.
Oh, put them right there.
I think I'm gonna put them. Careful, don't bump the table. Oh, I knocked them all down. Alright, I'm looking at you. I'm looking. Oh, there's the treasure over there. Grab it.
Yeah, I can good. I beat you.
Oh, you inked me. Oh, I need to go jump in the water and wash off. Watch out for that octopus. Oh, man. I'm gonna... You keep inking me.
What are you guys doing?
We're playing Don't Rock the Boat.
Looks like you guys are. Donna.
Ah, shark!
No, what? No, what? Some took the way down.
You are correct.
Some sharks are scared of the dark. What do you do, Sawyer? You've been inked.
That's the wrong one to pick, huh? Oh, I'm the mighty turtle! Ha 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 ha! You want? I think I'm Michelangelo.
Yes.
You can't ink this.
Boom, boom, boom. Wait, that's not a gun. Where's my gun? Oh, he's up here. Pew, 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 pew.
You guys are all crazy. I'm out of here.
No, they're like that. We need you.
No, you're nuts. You're all just a bunch of penguins. There's no pizza up here. I'm out of here.
We got gold.
I need pizza.
We have pizza.
Oh, it's a grave digger, and he comes on through, and here he comes. Oh, and he's running all over. Oh, yeah, don't rock this, grave digger. No, I'm out of here. There's nothing over here. No mud. I'm gonna have me some penguins for dinner.
Robot Dino attack! I don't think he's scared of ink.
He's coming.
I'm a taco dinosaur. Taco, get it? I'm gonna eat that. Oh, we got the pirate headquarters for the penguins. Oh yeah! Anybody want some ice cream? Get some ice cream.
Anybody want a taco?
Oh, Are you open for business?
Yep, I got chocolate meat, fish, ice cream cone, and chocolate.